Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kakanhon, Association of Indian Universities, bat kasanjok ki Vice Chancellor, Jong ki Skulbah baper kari India. Kinsai kendo lang haka khatpra tarik mentau benai kalalingkot arja ka khandai haka dorbar ka ba arsngi ya ka balatem kum ka East Zone Vice Chancellors Meet 2019 ka ban salong haka Skulbah nehu Shillong ban emerging mon halor kumno ban Pynbha shusho bat ban panjanai ya ka Pule Puthi nalor ki weipat ki mat ki ban yakren u Vice Chancellor jong ka Skulbah nehu u Professor S.J. Srivastava haba yakren bat kinong pathai khobor haka khanyo tarik mentau benai kalalingkot ulai tu bahagani ka dorbar on Ïathir ye ki babon ki mat ki bedai bat ka Pule ka Puthi bat khamtam ye ki mat ki bedai bat ka bha ka myat jang ki samla Pule.
I'm really thankful to the Association of Indian Universities, Secretary General, President of AIU, as well as other officials for choosing NEHU to host AIU East Zone Vice Chancellors Meet. The themes which are to be covered in different technical sessions, which will be inaugurated tomorrow at 10 o'clock, they include broadly under the heading of social development and sustainability, which is one of the topical theme of the annual general meeting, which is scheduled next month in Mysore. So under social development and sustainability, 3 topics have been identified which are very relevant to the state of Meghalaya and this northeastern region. And these themes include, in the technical session number 1, higher education and sustainable development goals will be talked about. In technical session 2, curriculum alignment in higher education to implement skill development and enhancing global and regional relevance. And the last technical session will discuss skill development through higher education, enhancing employability and entrepreneurship. I would like to briefly mention, for the information of the people of Meghalaya, that NEHU has recently established an Institutional Innovation Council, IIC, last November 2018, as per the norms of Innovation Council under the Ministry of HRD. We also have a Design and Innovation Center here. And in addition to imparting quality teaching research, in recent months and years, the university also gives due emphasis on skill development programs and other related activities. So it's really a happy moment for all of us that the skill development component and other issues related with skill development and entrepreneurship have been included here in the technical session. One brief mention about this program will be to honor the entrepreneur of the month. As you all may be aware that Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya has initiated a program honoring our entrepreneurs, and every month an entrepreneur from this region is honored. So we have also included a felicitation program in our inauguration event.
As Honorable Vice Chancellor has already mentioned that this is the East Zone Vice Chancellors Meet. A brief on the AIU and a press release has already been given to you. Last time when the Association of Indian Universities held its meet, that was the annual general meet, and that was in 2009. Am I correct?
2008.
2008. So after 2008, this is the AIU's Vice Chancellor's meet, which is being held at Northeastern Hill University. And This East Zone of the Association of Indian Universities comprise of, as already perhaps written in the press release, Arunachal Pradesh, all these 7 sisters, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Bihar, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Jharkhand, Nagaland, Sikkim, Tripura, and additionally West Bengal and part of the UP. Particularly the eastern UP is also covered in the eastern zone. In this zone, there are about 175 universities, out of which 112 universities, rather 115 universities are members of the Association of Indian Universities. And they include 16 central universities, 55 state universities, 3 institutions deemed to be universities, and 29 private universities and 9 institutions of national importance, that is IIT and ISER and NITs. And out of these 175 universities, I am very happy to mention that nearly 60 vice chancellors have confirmed their participation. And therefore, we look forward to very intense, involved and fruitful deliberations and discussions on the theme that we have chosen.